First impression, I don't wanna recommend this.
Oh, nagdadalawang isip ka.
Wala lang kaming bata, nandito din kami nakikitambay.
Don't know how much you mean to me, baby. I can't put it in words.
This is the fancy.
Don't know how much you give to me, baby. You keep making me learn. Yeah. You're like a painting hanging on my every wall. Baby, you save me. You give me.
This is the second time. Second time ba to again? Same spot. Same spot, same outfit. Family.
Okay.
Ganda.
I was roaming through the dark, baby. Ooh, you keep making it shine.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another day in the life of an immigrant family here in America but currently in Canada. Dito po kami ngayon sa Banff and ang first stop namin ay ang Cascade Gardens. Nauna pa nagpa-picture yung mga taga-Canada. The Thunders team are with us! 0.5. Okay, next!
1, 2, 3.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing. You're
Di mo taga Edmonton, di mo na nagpapapicture. Yung mga taga Hawaii mo na, okay. And moment na po nung taga Canada. Thunders team! Kumusta naman yung ano nyo, biyahe nyo? Hindi na kami pumila dun sa ticket. Ang haba ng pila. Diyan kami, sa downtown. Tumigil lang siya sa parking area saglit, tapos bumaba na kami ni mama. Mga handicap passengers namin. Matagal ang movement. Buti na lang malapit ang parking nila. Nay, maganda din pa pala dun. Oh, maganda pa pala dun sa side na yun, oh.
There's nowhere to go. You will always keep.
Kung yung mga plantitas of ang pupunta dito, baka na na nila. Kitula man lang, brasit. Sana all may special parking. Mali kayo ng sinamahang grupo. We will stay with the Thunders with special privilege of the parking. Go, go, go. Kita man kami.
Team Thunders up.
Go Team Thunders! Walang magnanervyos masyado. Meron na naman diyang kinakabahan. Yung magkapatid. Go Team Thunders! Yay! Woo! Woo! Thank you. Wow, the view is so nice.
Alam mo
talaga.
rin taning viewing.
Missy's first time here! Yay! Wow!
Dapat dito kayo gaya.
Itanong ko ito, damdamo ito. Awa na, dapat kang kulog-kulog kita ng araw.
Oh my God. Oh, dati itutok na kita kayo. Oh, nagbabasit na kayo. Ay, kayang-kaya. Please. Be careful with my heart.
Dapat na makita ko mapit sa sakit ni puso mo.
Wow! So, medyo natagalan kami sa baba kasi I forgot to click na Alberta resident yung mga kasama namin. Kaya nagpa-refund pa ako. So, if you book online, be sure to click that you are Alberta resident upon clicking sa online booking para sa inyong mga discounts. Kasi it was a hassle a while ago. They needed IDs, ganyan. So, kinuha pa yung mga IDs. Tapos, ako yung nag-book pa and all of that. Iba yung address ko, USA. Tapos, yung credit card na ginamit, card ni Daddy. So,
Delikado.
Ang dayuda na yun.
Uy, mong pagkita ka niya, di yan.
Maya to,
Wala akong mata ng likod ng kaya ko.
Ay,
dapat ko agaya, nagsinukat tayo.
nagwatunga talaga si ka.
Nga na dyan na eh.
7,000? 486 feet.
oh, Mommy said it's gonna be cold here. It's quite the opposite.
Ano, mabuting eh. Nalalain mo ito. Tagaya mabubuting. Building na talaga ni. Sumrigid. Oh, thank you Lord. Nakadanong kami.
Lord, for the symptom.
Oh. Thank you.
Oh, it's scary. Oh, the thunders there. They're so fast. Woo. Okay, the Hawaiian people. Yay.
How's the trip, Uncle?
How was the trip? Look. Sabi niya, look. Word of the day ni Michelle, look. Look. Yes, it is. Kinda windy today, so the weather is so nice. Dito kami sa Sky Bistro for our lunch, magbabuffet. Do you have more of this? Thank you. Salad bar. Ayan na po yung mga tenders. Kumakain na sila. Paubos na yung isa. Mabilis talaga kumain yan pag buffet. Kailangan daw kasi mabilis kang kumain pag buffet. Salmon. You like salmon, di ba? Mga sinikang balot. Ano ravioli nila? Ravioli, oh. Mukha kay Ketang Dagina ng puta. Maka-olive garden ka.
Isalmon tilok na di kwa salad.
Ngayon mo siya? Sino tinanong?
Ano ba?
Sino? Ngayon mo siya meatloaf na. Medyo na-upgrade lang. Na-upgrade ko ano niya. Timplada. Sarap yun.
Yung brisket na lang.
Masarap yung crispy ba? What can you say sa pagkain nila dito, Daddy?
The brisket is good. The gravy is a little bit sour and yeah.
Apat lang tayo. Pag more than 6 na yung tao sa group nila, they will charge for gratuity. Kunti lang yung options no ng pagkain.
Parang
Ano lang, beef brisket,
sausage lang.
sausage, meatloaf.
You're coming to the summit. Hold daddy. Hold daddy. Good job. Good job, my baningning.
Where faith begins. Guess I'm still waiting.
It's okay. It's okay. Daddy will hold your hand, okay?
Nung first time kong pumunta dito, hindi ko kasama si Mac, but I was with my family. And then yung pangalawang punta namin, kasama ko na si Mac, and I wasn't even pregnant with Mishi yet. And now, we have Mishi with us, our little adventurer. Kasama na namin siya na umaakyat na nag-hike dito. And I was really surprised kasi parang easy lang sa kanya na mag-walk ng ganito kahaba, and yung ascent is nakakaya rin niya yung pag-akyat. Good thing meron itong boardwalk na very scenic din naman yung side niya, yung madadaanan mo. So it made the hike way easier for the whole family. Ang kasama lang pala namin sa hike na to is just Mama and Papa. And ang purpose ni Papa is to reach the summit of Sulphur Mountain. Yun yung tinatawag na Sanson's Peak. Kasi sabi niya, kung kaya pa daw niya na akyatin hanggang sa peak, ay kaya pa daw niyang mag-work. Hindi pa daw siya mag-retire. Pero kung hindi na niya kakayanin yung pag-hike ay magre-retire na talaga siya. So we will see in this vlog kung kakayanin pa talaga niya.
Let's go.
In the way that we touch, you're like a prayer I've never spoken. But lying here silent, your hand on my skin feels like a holy fire. We're close enough to it.
Up. Wow! Lolo is there. We're almost on the summit. Wow! Up! Go! Run, Mama, run! Run to Mama! Run!
Yay! Summit mission!
Good job, Ningning. Good job. Yay!
You did it! Come!
If there's voice in the sky or if
Ganda dun, oh.
it's quiet,
Yung ano, yung parang lake dun. Ate, super long place, diba? Ang ganda dun, oh. Yung ano, yung parang lake.
Matinag ah. Sige. Kabang ko yata, nagnataw.
Mishi wants to play, pero baba muna kami. Kasi sa summit mabato. Here! Bababa muna din. Oh, down! Let's go down! Yay! Oh, down. Okay. Gusto niya pumunta sa taas.
Pero ko na ni Daddy na.
Oh, come here. Okay. 1, 2.
I'm waiting at the doorstep. I'm finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in.
Mag-reassess to after 2 years mabalinggan to mag-retirean. You cannot retire yet. You can still reach the summit. Ito daw ang assessment kung magre-retire na si Father. Kung ma-reach pa yung summit, hindi pa siya magre-retire. Kung na-reach niya yung summit, so no retirement for him yet. So mga after a year or 2 years, reassess.
Kaya pa, Romeo?
Dito naman kayo sa 4th floor ng gondola area. Ito yung kanyang parang may 360 view din siya. Tapos doon sa kaliwa over there is dining area din doon. Ito yung parang tambayan lang talaga na even if you don't have to buy food, ganyan. So it's still looking good. Ang sarap hazy lang kasi ngayon yung hindi siya clear masyado. Nice.
Finally, nandito ka.
Kaya nga, next kaya napunta natin dito. Because the first time that I was here, mag-isa ko lang. And then the next time, dalawa na tayo, Daddy. And then ngayon, tatlo. Next time, may ading ka na kaya?
Next time, with Lala.
Lala Lolo.
Nakaidig pa mo pa. Nagpintas na eh.
Ha?
Oo. Nagpintas.
I know. Oh,
Ano?
Adi. Nakita diyo muli nga paglugan ng Manil.
Kita kang talatan ano may
Oo,
vlogger.
madi nga talaga. Wala ka ate, pangrugitin kita mo ko parayam. Parayam. Oo. Pala na ito, maya na ito kasto.
Ang sakit-sakit tenga.
Ewan ikig.
Mabutang nagijay ko ang gondola.
There you go.
Nice. Certified. It wasn't just printed from home. Waiting lang kami kila Tita Grace bumili ng souvenir na t-shirt. Pero ang mga kapatid ko ay nasa ibang lugar na sila. Kami lang kasi yung pumunta sa summit. So, I need to call them.
Kasi di mo na ganito di bow.
Bow Falls? Oh, malapit lang yun dito.
8 minutes.
We're here! Ate!
Bumaro.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
You like it? You like it here, Baningning?
Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending.
Dito kami sa Bow Falls. Yan, medyo matao ngayon kasi nga mahapon na. Kaya madami ng tao. Dati kasi, tanghali kami na nandito, kaya kami lang yung tao. And we were there. Ay, nangatumot gayam nga. Doon kami sa hagdan dati.
Go, 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 yeah. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
Tayon, no, agliwaliw kay pa dito ngagtugaw. Home na yung next destination natin. Hotel. This one?
Waiting for something better.
Uy, wow. Ba't nasa ng ilaw? Pero kuryente. Wow, ang ganda ng room nila. Walang magkakarinigan ng uroks. Muy paintry nga eh. Katsalong. May ano pa sila, lutuan. Malayo tayo sa kusina, George. Pero nasan, ay, nahanap naman na nilang ilaw. Butterfly. Hey everyone, so nandito na nga kami sa aming hotel. Recommend ko ba siya? First impression, I don't wanna recommend this. Especially sa mga may bata, especially sa may mga elderlies na kasama. First impression, I don't wanna recommend this. Unless siguro if you are able to
Wala lang kaming bata,
request
nandito din kami
first
nakikitambay.
floor, ground floor na unit. Kasi yung nakuha namin ay first floor, walang hagdan. So parang cabin, yun yung kila mama ko, yung pinakita ko kanina. But for our place, third floor siya, hagdan. Pupunta kang third floor na maghahagdan ka. And then at the end of the hallway, yun yung room namin. And then pagbukas mo ng door, akala ko yun na yung room. No, maghahagdan ka ulit. So yung unit, meron siyang hagdan papunta sa mga rooms again. So sobrang daming hagdan. So I really don't recommend it sa mga elderly people. So kapag may mga kasama kayo na mga thunders team na, you better ask them if they have an available na ground floor, ganun. So ngayon, at least we learned something na kapag kasama pala namin yung Thunders team, sila mama ko, sila or kami din ni daddy, kasi nga ayaw na nga namin ng naghahagdan kasi nga ang dami namin gamit. And also Mishi, dapat i-make sure mo na meron kang available na ground floor na makukuha na unit kesa yung ganun na mag-third floor ka. So what we did, tinasang namin dalawang luggage namin kasi yun na yung laman or yun yung hawak namin ni daddy kanina. And then, bumaba na kami. Sabi ni daddy, magstay na daw muna kami dun sa unit nila nila mama ko, kakain doon. And then, kapag matutulog na talaga kami, that's the time na tataas na lang kami. Kasi ang hirap na tataas kami, bababa. Yun palang hagdan sa unit namin, from the bedroom to the front door ng unit namin, nakakatamad na. Kasi nga pagod na kami. Di ba naghagdan kami kanina na ano. So, it's not recommendable unless you are very active pa and wala kayong kids, ganyan, or malalaki na yung mga kids ninyo, then that's fine. But for us, lalo na yung hagdan, si Mishi, sabi ko nga sa kabilang room kami, papakita ko mamaya kasi kapag yung isang room, baka paglabas pa lang niya ng door, mahulog na siya sa hagdan. And yung hagdan nila is not walk friendly. Very steep siya. Talagang matarik siya, sis. Kaya parang hinihingal ka na pagdating mo sa taas, kahit hindi naman ganun kataas because of the elevation ng mga, ito yung angle ng hagdan, hindi siya friendly. Yung walk friendly, kumbaga. Hike friendly. Basta ganun.
Sabi niya ma, oh, wow, we show. You like it here? Are you a small bakut?
Tiny bucket. Be careful.
Don't throw this. Wait. Where are you going?
Fireworks? Firewood? I don't like the swimming pool. Nakakoti saksakak. I'm tired. I'm so tired.
Firewood da.
Mami ka no?
Ang ganda naman ang sweater mo, Mishi Ben.
That's the gift of Tita Michelle.
Handa nga umay sa mama. Sanay lang? Ang kami nga kwanta, 20 kwartan. Ada balong da ka nung adobo.
Lima.
Oh, nagdadalawang isip siya. Nagganon-ganon yung dollar sign sa pera niya. Play. Play. Ay sos. Oh no.
Nice naman ng ano nyo dyan. Ng hating ano nyo. Ayaw na namin. Kung wala lang kaming bata, nandito din kami nakikitambay. Kaso may bata kaming takbo ng takbo. Yung ko namang ano. Maghahabol pa ng bata here. Tired na. Papaliguan pa namin yan. Balik na naman kami dito sa kabundukan namin. 3rd floor na to. So nag-stairs na kami ng 3rd floor. And now, look at our room. My gosh. Yeah, that's why it's misleading. Scam. Yeah, that's my leftover. You stay here, ate, ha? Oh, you have your own room na. Hi. Oh, that's so nice. To print Banff. Awa mo to door na. Awa mo to door na. That's why we chose that room kasi at least no, kung tatakbuhan kami ni Mishi, may chance pa kaming mahabol namin siya na hindi pa hagdan. Eh kung dito, paglabas pa lang niya, hagdan na.
So ate, don't close your invisible door, okay?
Baka mamaya you're gonna get scared again. You just come to our room again, just like last night.
Yeah, mag-open ka ng lamp mo, okay?
At least you will not hear Mishi's cry that much. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Awad ba? Kita man
No, the susi is there upstairs. Baka nga di vacancy na po yung nga movie.
Baka madamdama ito ko ano.
Yung vacancy na movie. So where is the fire exit if ever? Parang mamamatay tayo dito kaya pag nagkasunog Wala, there's no fire exit. Yung room namin may dalawang, tong unit namin may dalawang rooms. So, this is our room. And sa kabila si Ate Princess niya, yung aming panganay. Paano nakapasa ito sa fire inspection, ganun kasi parang hindi siya safe for fire. You know what? It's not clear. So, maganda kasi yung fire exit na floor plan na nakalagay sana na you are here, ganun. Tapos yung fire exit, dapat may red arrow sana papunta kung saan ba kami dapat mag-exit. But there was none. It took me like mga ilang minuto pa for me to realize kung saan ba yung hagdan na dapat na gagamitin namin. I took a photo of it, and I don't know if I can send a suggestion to the admin or what, pero they should do that kasi it's safer. Especially yung mga ano nila dito is parang feeling ko makikipot. Dapat mangyari yun. But anyway guys, that's our Banff experience. Today, tomorrow, we will not go to Lake Louise anymore kasi wala kaming nabook na shuttle. Ang mahal ng shuttle. If we will get Louise Lake shuttle, we will pay $74. And if we will do the Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, we will pay $94 each person. So parang naggundola na rin na naman kami. So it's not worth it, and every one of us already went to Lake Louise except sa mga kasama namin nasa US. Eh sila tita ko, they don't wanna wake up at 5:30 a.m. to go there kasi kapag naka-private car ka, they said that you need to go super duper early for you to have parking space doon sa Lake Louise. And they don't wanna wake up din ng 5:30. It's not ano na. So, kami naman nakapunta na kami doon ni Daddy. Gusto lang sana na kasi namin pumunta din doon for the sake na first time ni Mishi. So, we want na yung mga napuntahan na din sana namin mapuntahan namin. That's why we also went to the summit kanina doon sa may gondola area. But, hindi doable sa amin na mag-wake up ng 5:30 a.m. just to go to Lake Louise. So, late na kami gigising. Sila sister ko na lang yung pupunta together with the cousins of Robert. Tapos, wait for them. Tapos, diretso na kaming Red Deer to do the activity na parang adventure something. Yun yung gagawin namin. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope medyo nakatulong to kasi it's been so long since my last vlog dito sa Banff. It's already 2 years ago yung last, and a lot of things changed. Mas mahal na yung mga accommodation. Before, hindi kami nagka-Canmore na accommodation. Lagi kami dun sa my Banff area. But everything was fully booked. Even a month before na nag-book kami. So, if you wanna stay in Banff area, you need to book really early ahead of time para makakuha kayo ng good deal and ng vacancy. Kaya dito kami ngayon sa Canmore kasi wala na daw silang nakuha. Even booking 1 month prior, or probably because it's the season na talagang busy. So, madami talagang tao. May mga nakukuha kami sa Banff during that time, and it was a good deal before. But that was 2 years ago na rin kasi. So, yun, ang dami ng pinagbago. Kailangan mo mag-shuttle, you need to book for your shuttle. Ang mahal na rin ng gondola. It was $94 for a non-Alberta resident. Canadian dollars. So, yun. Kung worth it ba yung sa restaurant sa taas, I don't recommend her. Worth it siguro if you love to try new food. And kapag mahilig kayo sa beef brisket, sa ano pa ba yun? Ravioli. Kasi yun lang yung pagkain. Beef brisket, ravioli, sausage, salmon, mac and cheese. So it's not worth it na magbayad ka ng $45 for that. And then, meron din silang salad bar. Tapos meron din silang dessert area. Yun na yung buffet. It's not worth it. Yung $45 yung for the buffet. I don't recommend it. Dami kong hindi i-recommend sa vlog na to. First time. Parang feeling ko napaka-nega ng vlog na to. But, I'm just saving you some dollars. Para hindi nyo nagawin yung mga ibang ginawa na hindi naman worth it. Thank you so much everyone. If you love to see vlogs like this, let me know down below para makagawa tayo ng more travel vlogs even with a toddler. And yun, medyo mas busy na kami sa mga susunod na araw pagdating namin sa Georgia, but we will see, diba? Pwede namang magawan ng paraan siguro. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell button para lagi kayong ma-update every time that I upload the video here on this channel. So I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Bye!